growth hair. Very good. Even the hair, pwede siya. Kumakapal. Kumapal na nga yung kilay ko. Look at my, yeah, kilay. Kumakapal na rin siya. Because of the oil. Kacamata. Kacamata oil. Because of the oil. Oil of onion. Very good. Maganda to talaga sa scalp. Gusto sa scalp, guys. Kung gusto mong pangpal ang buhok, try it. Onion. 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 Oil. Oh my God! Really? You don't have hair? Put onion to your hair. You need to ano ba yun? Sa English. Ay, naku. Basta onion, gawin mo na. Yung oil lang niya. Ayan, tingnan mo, diba? Para na sila. I have many baby hair. I have many baby hair because of onion. I shaved my head. Why? You don't want to have hair on your head? Oh my God, I don't like Barbie. Yeah, it's nice to hear. That's good. Very nice to grow your hair. Growth your hair. I have many baby hair because of onion. Oh my God. You need to put onion to your hair, to your scalp, GP. If you want to grow your hair, so put onion oil to your scalp. Going to let it go.